Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the email address of your WhatsApp account. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open WhatsApp application on your device, then tap on the three dots right here and then choose settings. In the settings menu, you need to choose account. In the account menu, here you will find email address. You need to tap on it. Here you will find your verified email address if you already added one. If you want to change it, just tap on the pencil icon here. Once you tap on it, you can erase this one. You can enter the new email address and then tap on next. They will send you a verification code on your email, on your new email address, and then your address will be changed. So guys, this is how you can change your email address on WhatsApp. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.